Okay, this is going to be the first video in your final project. Go ahead and open up Windows Access. We're going to make a database for our final project. So we want to do a blank desktop database. Okay. And we want to go ahead, first thing, click on Table 1, click Save, and we're going to name this table Loginfo. Okay, it's login and information. Make sure you name it all caps. We're going to click here to add short text. We're going to call this field username. And then add short text here. We're going to call this password. Okay. Go ahead and type in whatever username you feel you want to use for this one. All right, this is just a test, so there's no reason to be complicated. This I'm just gonna name password Andy. Okay. Now save again. Click up here on create. We want a new table. Click on save the table so we can rename it. We're going to name it registry. Okay. Short text field 1, we want to name this one first name. We want to name the second one last name. For right now, we're just going to be using nothing but short text. We can edit this later if we decide to change things. We want to know the username. We want to know their email. And we also like to know their age. And for right now, this will be fine. Go ahead and save this and then create one more table. We want to name this one feed. Okay, because this is going to be the social network feed. Okay. First thing we need to put in here is a username, then post content, then post time, post date. Okay, that should just be enough information for us for right now. So we want to save this, save this, save this, and we can close, close, close. You can see them all over here. Next, go up here to Database Tools, click on Relationships. Okay, we want the feed table, the loginfo table, and the registry table. You add all of them. Next up, take the username, drag it over here to the username in the loginfo. Just go ahead and click create. And then grab the username and drag it over here to the other username. Click create. So username should be connected to username, which should be connected to username. Great. Now, right click, save, close, file, save as. We want to go ahead and save Access Database, default format. Let's save it someplace that's easy for us to get to. Okay, so we're going to name it Final Project. Alright, Final Project Test. That's just my personal name for it. We save this. And you can take a look at your desktop right here if you saved it to your desktop. Perfect. And close this out. And congratulations. You've done the first part of your project.